Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to our handwriting videos. Today we're going to be learning how to write and say a new capital letter. Now our letter sound that we are focusing on today is W. That's right, W. I wonder if you can tell Miss Brown what the capital letter is. What is the name of this letter? That's right, it's W. W. And the sound is W. Now, like some of the other capital letters that we've written, these are exactly the same when we write the capital letter and the small letter. The only thing that's a bit different is the size. So we're going to use our rhyme to help us write our capital letter. Does anyone remember what that rhyme is? That's right. Down, up, down, up. Let's see if we can air write it together. You ready? Say the sound as you do it. Down, up, down, up. Pretty simple, isn't it? Let's see if we can have a go at writing the capital letter W and using the sound to help us. Watch Miss Brown first. Now, because it's a capital letter, where do you think Miss Brown is going to start? That's right, at the top of the line. Where is my line when I go down? Where is it going to go? Right down to the bottom line. Excellent. So I go down, and it's a diagonal line down. Now, when I go back up, what line do you think I'm going to go to? The middle line. I go up, back down to the bottom line diagonally, and then back up to the top. Now I can do this without taking my pen off the board. I just did it quite slowly, so Miss Brown did take her pen off, but you could do it without. You need to make sure that with every down and up, that your lines are connected. Let's have another go. Can you help Miss Brown say the rhyme? Down, up to the middle line, down and up. W. Well done. Now, we have written the capital letter W. We know how to write a W, but where are we going to start our W? The middle line. And we're going to use exactly the same rhyme to help us. Let's go. So we go down, up, down, up. Now can you see how my middle line doesn't go right up to the top? It goes in between the middle of the middle line and the bottom line. And that lets us know that it's a small W. Let's try again. Down, up, down, up. Just like that. Now we're going to put them together. So I'm going to do a capital and a small. Now Miss Brown's running out of space a little bit, so I might have to make it a little bit smaller. Okay? So my capital. I start at the top. I go down to the bottom line, up to the middle line, down to the bottom line, up to the top line. W. My W. I go down to the bottom line, but I start at my middle line. I go up halfway between the middle line and the bottom line, back down to the bottom line, and then up to the middle line. W and W. Now, boys and girls, when you go to write it yourself, I would like you to do a full row of your W's, a full row of your W, and then a full row of your W and W together. Remember to circle your tickle pink and your growth for green as well, giving yourself some feedback on what you think you've done well and what you think you could improve on. Well done, boys and girls. Give yourselves a fantastic. And I'll see you soon for our next capital letter.